Please visit the part 1 of this video series if you have not done that earlier. Thank you.
A policy for that. Okay, so in the policy, we would need to provide the general information, then the agent selection and monitor configuration. In general, we would need to provide a tag name for the policy, and we'll enable the policy and would need to give a precedence to this policy, which has to be a unique number. Here we will provide the agent host name. First of all, we will add the operating system monitoring. Okay, secondly, we will add the Oracle database monitoring. Select the KM version as 9520, and here it will be Oracle DB monitoring. So we would need to provide the instance name and the Oracle instance home, and I'll select all the categories here to be monitored. By default, it is only availability, but yeah, we will select all the categories. Then we would need to provide a default tablespace name and a temporary tablespace name for the database monitoring account, which is going to be created. So I'll go by the default, which is users and temp. And also we would need to provide a privileged account, which will be used to create or modify the account, the database monitoring account. And the monitoring account, I'll go for this patrolmon. You can provide any name, in fact. If this account is not there in the database, it will be created. If it is already there, then that account will be altered. Then I'll give a password to this account. I'll click on add to list. And from here, I'll select the instance configuration debug, just to know in case anything fails. And I'll click on add. Now, lastly, we will be selecting the Oracle Extended Tablespace Monitoring and click on add. Now click on close. Okay, in this policy, we see that we have details for the operating system, the DB monitoring, and the Oracle Extended Tablespace Monitoring. I'll click on finish. Now let's see if the policy has been applied to the agent or not. This is the one that we created now. Okay, it's been applied to the agent. Okay, as we go to the TrueSight operations management console, we can see the device which we just configured has been added, and the monitoring has started. For ETSM also, which is the extended tablespace monitoring, the monitoring has started. By default, all the tablespaces, they get monitored under ETSM regular, which are not undo or temp or read only. So those tablespaces will be monitored in ETSM regular. Okay, now let's have a look at the graph. For ETSM regular, yes, it has started collecting data, and we have the data points being visible on the graph.
Please visit the part 3 of this video series to continue. Thank you.